To restore your system language back to default is simple. If you don't understand the language, then all you need to do is just identify the icons. One of them is by identifying the settings icon, so it's this gear icon right here. And when you find it, just tap on it on your phone. From here, scroll through the list of options that you're currently seeing on your device until you find these sliders right here on a gray background. Tap on that. It leads you to your general management settings. Next, the first option is always languages, so go ahead and select it. And then you should be able to see your previous default system language listed. If you don't, just tap on this plus icon, search for the language, and then select it. Once you've selected it, you'll be prompted to confirm that it's your default, so just tap on that. And after a few moments, the changes will be applied to your device, shifting the system language. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.